Here's how to get Explore page on TikTok. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can get Explore page on your TikTok. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, I'll show you what an Explore page looks like. So if you go to TikTok, here as you can see, but in this section, you'll see three on the top, like For You, Following, and then Explore. So if you press on Explore, this is what Explore page looks like, and it has like some sort of video slides in it, and like picture slides which you can choose to watch. And yeah, so if you don't have it, you just simply need to do this. Just go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store, whatever you're using. But I'm on iPhone, I'm just gonna go to App Store. If you're an Android device, just go ahead and make sure you go to your Play Store, and then just go to search bar and then type in TikTok. And just simply type TikTok, and you just need to go ahead and update your TikTok. So here, as you can see, mine need update, but mine was like my TikTok had the latest update which showed me the the app. So you just basically need to update your app and make sure that your app is up to date. But yeah, just make sure that your app is up to date and you're good to go, and
Since we're all
you
gonna
can pretty much use TikTok on your phone device and go to Explore page. Yeah, just make sure that your TikTok is updated. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can get Explore page on TikTok. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.